In today's video, I will introduce the semi-automatic prismatic battery module pack assembly line. First, the operator will load the battery cell on the belt. The workstation will scan each cell's QR code. Then, we'll test each battery cell's voltage and inner resistance. If the battery cell meets the requirement of the OCV testing, it will be transferred to the OK space for the next workstation. If not, it will be transferred to the NG space. For standard configuration, this area has 4 OK space and 1 NG space. The number is customizable based on client's request. After the OCV testing, the operator will move OK battery cells to a table next to the workstation. Meanwhile, another operator will apply the strip glue to each battery cell. Then, the next operator will put battery cells on the stacking and pressing workstation and push the button to start pressing. After, the operator will install 2 steel belts and all the cells become as one module. After stacking and pressing, the battery module will be transferred to the next process. The operator will use the scanner gun to scan each cell's QR code and then generate one module code and print it out. Then stick it on the side of the module. After, the module will be transferred to the battery terminal pole's photography workstation. The camera will track each terminal pole center mark point and generate each point's coordinate data. It will also share all the data to the remaining workstations. After the battery terminal pole's photography workstation, the operator will install the CCS on the top of the battery module. Next, it will be the most important workstation laser welding. Usually, we will use 6 kilowatts laser equipment for this line. The common brands we use are IP, GW, DG, Max, and so on, which is totally based on the budget or the choice of clients. After the laser welding workstation, the battery module will come to the YaoL testing workstation. While the workstation is testing the module, the computer will be showing the test result. After the YaoL testing, it will reach the last part of the assembly line, offloading. 2 operators will use the crane to lift the battery module and put it on the tray for the production of pack line. Meanwhile, the plate will be transferred back to the beginning by the double speed chain for another round of production.